Sabudana contains amino acids and carotenoids that aid in controlling hair fall, averting premature graying and balding. Its antifungal and antimicrobial properties help soothe hair roots or follicles, repair damaged scalp and split ends, and removing dandruff effectively. Is eating sabudana good for skin? But do you know sabudana can also do wonders for your skin? Rich in starch, sabudana also comes with several other nutrients that can help you improve the texture of your skin, other than assisting in boosting blood flow, improving digestion, etc. It regulates blood pressure. Sabudana contains potassium, which promotes healthy blood flow and keeps your blood pressure in check. Promotes fetus growth in pregnant women. Gives you energy. It can relieve you from constipation. Improves your bone health.